Every day when I wake up, I always start up my day with a cup of hot chai. So today I am going to be showing you how to make rosemary chai, which is very flavorful and addictive in a very special way. I'll be using 1 sprig of fresh rosemary, loose tea leaves, sugar, and 2 cups of milk. I'm going to start off by placing a pot over medium-high flame. Add 1 cup of water and let the water come to a boil. Add the rosemary sprigs in the pot since I'll be straining the chai later. Let the rosemary and the water come to a boil over high heat. Lower and simmer for around 1 to 5 minutes. The longer you let the tea simmer, the stronger the rosemary flavor will be. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add in some loose tea leaves and sugar. Let everything simmer for another 1 minute. Add in 2 cups of milk and let everything come to a boil over high flame. Once my chai comes to a boil, I'm going to use my sieve, stir the chai a little bit. Reduce the flames to low and let the chai simmer for around 1 to 2 minutes. After a few minutes, I'm going to turn off the heat because the chai is ready. Then I'm going to use my kitchen towel and strain the rosemary chai. Transfer the chai to my vacuum flask, which is going to keep the chai warm. Pour myself some. Just look at that. During this weather, this is the chai to go for because my rosemary chai has turned out very delicious and the flavor is just so good. So I hope you'll be keeping cozy by trying out this rosemary chai at home.